Attach suitable lifting links, lever hoist group, and lifting device. Refer to your service manual for the weight of the component. Rotate the final drive 90 degrees and place onto suitable cribbing. Reposition the tooling as shown, then rotate the final drive an additional 90 degrees. Remove the bolts. Remove the bolts and the plate. Attach suitable lifting links and lifting device. Refer to your service manual for the weight of the component. Remove the carrier assembly and the O-ring seal. Remove the bolts, the plate, and the O-ring seal. Place the carrier assembly in position in a suitable press. Remove the shafts and the gears. Remove the bearing cones and the bearing cups from the gears. Attach suitable lifting links and lifting device, then remove the planetary assembly. Refer to your service manual for the weight of the component. Attach a suitable lifting link and lifting device. Rotate the planetary assembly as shown. Attach the suitable lever hoist group. Rotate the planetary assembly and place on the suitable cribbing. Remove the retaining ring. Attach suitable lifting devices to the planetary carrier. Refer to your service manual for the weight of the component. Lift the planetary carrier off of the sun gear and place onto suitable cribbing. Remove the thrust ring. Remove the bolts and the plates. Use a suitable press to remove the shafts from the planetary carrier. Remove the gear assembly, then remove the bearings. Remove the bearing cones and the lock ring. Remove the retaining ring out from the planetary carrier. Remove the sun gear. Remove the bolts and the retainer. Use a suitable press and plate to remove the bearing. Use a suitable magnet to remove the pins. Attach suitable lifting links and lifting device. Refer to your service manual for the weight of the component. Remove the ring gear and place onto suitable cribbing. Attach a suitable lifting device and position the ring gear as shown. Attach a suitable lever hoist group and rotate the ring gear as shown. Place the ring gear onto suitable cribbing. Attach suitable lifting links and lifting device. Refer to your service manual for the weight of the component. Remove the retaining ring. Remove the reaction hub and place onto suitable cribbing. Remove the O-ring seal. Install a suitable puller, plate, and an electric hydraulic pump group. Use the tooling to separate the reaction hub from the gear. Remove the bearing cone. Attach suitable lifting links and lifting device. Refer to your service manual for the weight of the component. Remove the spindle hub and place onto suitable cribbing. Attach a suitable lever hoist group and rotate the spindle hub to the position shown. Place the spindle hub onto suitable cribbing. Remove the duocone seals and the bearing cups. Remove the bearing cone. Use a suitable puller and H-bar to remove the lip-type seal.
If you like what you saw today, please hit the like button in the right-hand corner, and thanks for watching.